Hey, ever wondered what actually happens under the hood of your car? Let's break down the basics of a car engine. No jargon, just the essentials. Think of your car's engine as its heart. Its main job? Turning fuel into motion. It all starts in the cylinders. Imagine them as tiny rooms where magic happens. Air and fuel mix together, then a spark plug lights this mixture. Boom! That little explosion pushes a piston down. Pistons are like little plungers, and as they move up and down, they spin a crankshaft. That spinning creates the power that eventually turns your wheels. Pretty cool, right? Most engines have 4, 6, or 8 cylinders. The more you have, the smoother and more powerful the engine feels. There's also oil, which keeps everything moving parts nice and slippery so nothing grinds or overheats. If you peek under the hood, you'll spot things like the battery, radiator, and belts too. But for now, just remember, air and fuel go in, a spark sets them off, pistons go up and down, and your car moves forward. Next time you drive, you'll know your engine isn't just a mystery box. It's a wild symphony of parts working together to get you where you need to go. Stay curious, and maybe next time, we'll look at how to keep your engine healthy.